Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Kids, what do you mean by robot? Have you watched any movies on robots? Or have you read any stories about robots? Wouldn't it be fun if you had a robot that did all your homework every day? Or how would it be if you had a robot to do all the household works? Do you think a robot is as intelligent as a human being? How do you think are robots made? Do you have any idea? Okay, children, today let's read a very interesting story in which a robot is a character. Are you ready? Then please take your textbook. Children, please take page number 40 in your textbook. Robots don't lie. Get, set, go, which means let's get started. What are robots? Robots are machines that are programmed to perform different tasks or functions. So robots are basically machines which are programmed in such a way as to perform several tasks or functions. Nowadays, they are used in factories and other areas for mechanical or dangerous jobs. At present, nowadays, robots are mainly used in places where there is a high risk of danger. Okay, they are used in factories and other areas for mechanical or dangerous jobs. It is thought that one day robots will be created that can think, act, and even feel like human beings. So, we are hoping to we are hoping to invent a robot that can think, act, and even feel like human beings. Okay, you might have seen such robots in some movies. I am sure that most of you have watched the movie Indiran, and there are many more English movies in which you can see robots which can think, act, and even feel like human beings. How do you think robots could change our lives in the future? Just imagine. How do you think robots could change our lives in the future? What are the changes that robots can bring about in this world? Discuss in class. Just think about it and write 2 ways in which robots can be useful to you. Okay? Just think about the ways in which robots can help you in your day-to-day life and write it down. Okay? What relationship does Ajay share with his Manku robot? Read this interesting story to find out. So children, here we come across 2 characters, Ajay and Manku robot. So the name of robot is Manku. Ajay and Manku robot are the 2 most important characters in this story. Ajay had a robot in the house, but he was facing some problems. Children, you may be thinking that Ajay is a very lucky person. He is a very fortunate person to have a robot in his house. But it is said that he is facing some problems because of this robot. Let's see what those problems are. So, the story is in the form of a conversation. The robot is saying, "Correction, you are in error. You are misinforming your father. Your homework has not been done. Error, error." Then, Ajay, you can see the picture of a boy. He is proudly Ajay. So, Ajay is saying, "Oh, do stop it, Manku. You don't have to take part in every conversation." So, what's the matter? Ajay has told some lie to his father regarding his homework. He might have said that he has already finished doing all his homework. Then the robot Manku is interfering in the conversation between Ajay and his father. And the robot says that error, he is wrong, he is not right. You are in error means you are wrong. I have to make a correction. You are misinforming your father. You are giving wrong information. Misinforming means giving wrong information. You are giving wrong information to your father. Your homework has not been done. You haven't done your homework yet. Ajay was exasperated. Exasperated means irritated, annoyed. Okay. Ajay was very much irritated. Why? Because his lie did not work out. The robot was so honest that his lie did not work out. He was caught red-handed. Oh, do stop it, Manku. You don't have to take part in every conversation. The irritated boy is telling the robot, oh, please stop it, Manku. Please don't interfere in every conversation. You need not take part. You need not participate in every conversation. Please keep quiet. Then, what does the robot say? Correction. Manku robots are supposed to participate in household activities. They babysit, they answer the telephone, So the robot is saying that, no, it's not like that. Manku robots are supposed to, they are expected to participate in household activities. They have to participate, they are expected to participate in all household activities. They babysit. What do you mean by babysit? Babysit means to look after a baby for a short time, for a short while when the parents are away. Okay, to take care of a baby or child for a short period when the parents are out. Okay, so Manku robots are supposed to participate in household activities. They babysit, they take care of the babies, they answer telephone, they does many such things. They do all sorts of household activities. Then Ajay's father was irritated. Stop it, both of you. So on seeing the boy and the robot quarreling, the father was irritated. He got irritated and he said, stop it, both of you. Don't make noise. Please stop it. Ajay sat down at his computer. He sat in front of his computer. He knew he was in trouble and it was all Manku's fault. And Ajay thinks that due to that robot, he was in trouble. The robot has made him in trouble. He will have to hear the scolding of his father. Ajay, you haven't even begun your maths project. So the father is telling his son, you haven't even begun your maths project. No more excuses. Please don't say any more excuses. Please get down to it. Please do it quickly. Right away, Dad. Then, the next picture you can see Ajay doing some work in his computer and the robot is cleaning the house. Ajay settled down to work. Ajay's father went off to his study. After a while, the doorbell rang. Okay, so Ajay settled down. He sat down to do his work and Ajay's father went off to his study, to his library or something. He went off to his study room or library. After a while, the doorbell rang. They heard a calling bell. They heard a doorbell. I bet that's Dinesh. Then our boy Ajay is thinking that I'm sure it will be Dinesh. But if I don't do my work now, Manku will tell Dad and then I'll be in trouble. If I go and play with Dinesh, then Manku will inform it to Dad and I will be in trouble. If I don't do my work now, I will be in trouble. Manku will inform it to Father. Manku, if the visitor asks for me, tell him I am not at home. So Ajay is asking Manku robot to check who the visitor is and to ask the visitor and to tell the visitor that he is not at home. Manku, if the visitor asks for me, if the visitor is coming to visit Ajay, then please tell him I am not at home. Please tell the visitor that I am not at home. Okay. Ajay quickly got up to make sure Manku followed his instructions. So Ajay quickly got up from his seat in order to ensure that his robot Manku has followed his instructions or guidelines. Then the robot is asking, not here, sir. Correction, you are here. What do you mean by not here? How can I say that you are not at home? You are here only. You are there here in front of me. See, the robot is too honest. The robot is very honest. But Ajay isn't. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. What will I do with this robot? The doorbell rang again. Oh really? You make me sick, Manku? So, hearing Manku's reply, Ajay is saying, oh really? You make me sick, Manku. You make me sick means, here the meaning is upset. You upset me. You are troubling me. I am getting upset. Okay. Ajay, what's the matter? Why isn't Manku answering the doorbell? So, Ajay's mother is asking him, Ajay, what's the matter? Why isn't Manku answering the doorbell? What's the problem? Why isn't the robot answering the doorbell? Why isn't he opening the door and checking who the visitor is? As always, Manku took him literally. As usual, Manku took him literally. So, as usual, Manku did not understand what Ajay actually meant. He took him literally. The robot, Manku, took Ajay's words literally. He only understood the literal meaning of what Ajay said. What did Ajay say? You made me sick, Manku. Ajay told the robot that you made me sick. What is the literal meaning of sick? The literal meaning of sick is illness. I am not well. You make me sick. You are making me ill. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling healthy. Sick. Tired. Ill. Unhealthy. Okay. So, the robot understood only the literal meaning of sick. He did not understand that Ajay actually meant that he is irritating Ajay. Okay. Sick, sir. Shall I call a doctor? So, the robot is asking sincerely, sick, sir. Are you sick? Should I call a doctor? Do not call a doctor. Open the front door. Oh no, please don't call a doctor. Just open the front door. And look who the visitor is. Order received, sir. Command being processed, sir. So, the robot is saying, okay, I have received the order. Command being processed. The command, the order. Command means order. Your order is being processed. It is going on. Okay. Process means a series of mechanical or chemical operations being carried out. Okay. So, the mechanical operations are being carried out, sir. I will open the door now. Manku opened the door. Ajay recognized his friend Tariq's voice. It wasn't Dinesh. So, who was Ajay's visitor, it was not Dinesh as was expected. Then who was the visitor? It was Tariq. Ajay recognized his friend. Ajay തിരിച്ചറിഞ്ഞു his friend Tariq's voice. He could recognize his friend Tariq's voice. It was in Dinesh. Hi Tariq, how nice to see you. I was bored today. So Ajay is saying, Hi Tariq, I'm so happy to see you. Glad to see you. Glad to meet you. How nice to see you. I was bored today. I was really bored. Then the robot is interfering in their conversation. Correction, sir, you are feeling sick. No, sir, you are not feeling bored. You are feeling sick. You told that you are feeling sick. Tariq looked at Ajay. Aren't you well, Ajay? Aren't you well? Aren't you feeling well? No, I'm fine. No, I'm fine. I don't have any problem. I'm not sick. Correction, sir. You said you were feeling sick. I will call a doctor. I have to make a correction. You said you were feeling sick. I will call a doctor soon, said the robot. Manku followed the boys to Ajay's room. So, our Manku robot accompanied the boys to Ajay's room. So, his friend Tariq is asking, Are you sure you are alright? Yes, I'm fine. I'm not sick. It is just this robot. It pokes its nose in everything. So Ajay is saying, Yes, I'm fine. Of course, I'm fine. I'm not sick. It is just this robot. It pokes its nose in everything. Poke one's nose means to interfere. Okay. The robot is interfering in everything. You might have heard sentences like, Don't poke your nose in my personal affairs. Don't interfere in my personal affairs. Don't poke your nose. Okay. It pokes its nose in everything. It interferes in everything. Manku had something to say to that too. So Manku had something to say to that too. Correction, sir, you are in error. I do not have a nose. So the robot is saying, Correction, sir, you have made a mistake. You are wrong. I do not have a nose. I don't have a nose like human beings. Continue with your cleaning. So you can see an angry face of Ajay. He got enraged. He shouts at the robot, Continue with your cleaning. Command received, sir. The order has been received. That robot is supposed to help us, not make our lives difficult. I can't even make an excuse to daddy because it butts in. So Ajay is complaining about the robot. He tells his friend that robot is supposed to help us. That robot is expected to help us and not make our lives difficult. But the robot is actually making my life difficult. He interferes in every conversation between me and my father, and he is not allowing me to make an excuse to daddy because it butts in. Butts in means interfere, interrupt the conversation. After Tariq left, Ajay decided to contact Robotics International. After his friend left, he decided to contact Robotics International. It's a company that manufactures robots. This is an imaginary story, okay? So, it's an imaginary name. A man's smiling face appeared on the screen. So, Ajay is contacting the company. This is Robotics International, makers of robots for your home. May I help you? I have a problem with our Manku robot. It tells tales to my father. It lets in visitors I don't want to see. It has no sense. So, in his frustration, Ajay is complaining about the robot to its makers. The smile on the man's face faded. His face grew stern. So, Till then the man was wearing a smile on his face. Now it got faded. Faded means mangipoi. His face grew stern. His face became serious. Has no sense? Or do you mean he doesn't lie? Manku robots are not programmed to lie. What do you mean by saying that the Manku robot has no sense? Do you mean that the robot doesn't lie? Manku robots are not made to lie. They are not programmed to lie. They don't know to say lies. Yes, well, the man continued to speak firmly. So, Ajay is getting stressed. He is getting tensed. Manku robots cannot be expected to tell lies. We will have to withdraw the Manku robot from your home. So, the man began to speak firmly. He told Ajay that Manku robots cannot be expected to tell lies. They are not supposed to tell lies. They are not programmed to tell lies. If it does not suit you, then we will withdraw the robot from your house. We will take it back. We will have to withdraw the Manku robot from your home. It does not suit you anymore. What? But why? Ajay was shocked to hear that. What? What are you saying? But why? Ajay was now very alarmed. Alarmed means frightened, nervous. Ajay became frightened. He became nervous. What were his parents going to say? If the company, if Robotics International take the robot away from their home, then how will his parents respond? How will the parents react? The robot was very much beneficial to them. It does all the household works. So he got nervous. Oh no, I didn't mean that. If you cannot speak truthfully, the Manku robot will one day cause a mishap. As a matter of policy, we withdraw Manku robots from homes which are not right for them. So the man is warning the boy, if you cannot speak truthfully, if you cannot be honest, then the Manku robot will one day cause a mishap. Then the Manku robot will cause some trouble. And as a matter of policy means in keeping with our rules. As per our rules, we will have to withdraw Manku robots from homes which are not right for them. We have to withdraw the Manku robots from those houses that does not suit them, which is not apt for them. The man's image began to fade. So, from that screen, his image began to fade. Mangi povan thodangi. We will arrange for somebody to come to your house and collect our Manku robot today. Your money will be refunded in full. Goodbye. So, eventually, the man said that we will arrange for somebody. Somebody will come to your house and take back the robot today itself. Your money will be refunded in full. You will get back the money that you have paid for the robot. You will get the full amount. Goodbye. Ajay stared at the blank screen. He stared at the blank screen. He looked at the screen and he was perplexed. He was nervous and confused. He felt very sorry for what he had done. He regretted his action. He thought that he need not had to call that person. He felt very sorry for what he had done. He felt remorseful. He felt regret. I'll be honest from now on. I will give clear instructions. So the mistake is on my side. He realized that the mistake is on my side. I was the one who always lied, and I should have given clear instructions to the robot. I'll be honest from now on. I will give clear instructions. Surely, if I learn to tell the truth, they will give me another chance. If I start speaking truth, then the company may give me another chance to keep the robot at my house. I will talk to my father. I am sure if I tell him everything and apologize, he will forgive me. He will be able to persuade them to let us keep Mangu. So, Ajay does not want Mangu to go from there. He wants the robot to stay in their house. He thinks that he will talk to his father. He make up his mind to talk to his father to tell him everything. To wear his heart on his sleeve. Wear one's heart on one's sleeve means to tell someone everything. I will disclose everything to my father. I will tell everything to my father and I will apologize. I will say him sorry. I will say sorry and he will forgive me. He will give me pardon. He will forgive me. എനിക്ക് മാപ്പ് തരും, എന്നോട് ക്ഷമിക്കും, ഞാൻ ചെയ്ത തെറ്റിനെ ക്ഷമിക്കും. He will forgive me. He will be able to persuade them to let us keep Mangu. He will be able to persuade. Persuade means he will be able to influence them. He will be able to persuade or influence the company to let us keep Mangu. Okay, that's it. Children, did you like this story? I hope you enjoyed reading the story. Please read this story several times. Then only you will be able to read it fluently. During our Google Meet session, I will ask you to read the story. Then you will have to read it fluently. And I will also ask you some questions related to the story. Okay. Please be prepared. That's all for today. Thank you for your patient listening. Have a nice day.